That's beautiful there out there. What is going on, guys? So we have an exciting video. We're gonna be dropping the yellow Cobra off at BC Racing down in Oviedo, Florida. They're gonna be developing a set of independent rear suspension coilovers for the 01 Cobra. That is because we're gonna be doing some autocross and road course on that car. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're just gonna trailer it down there because that's the easiest way. It drives perfectly fine, but we're gonna get the Bullet off the trailer and get the 01 on the trailer and head down to BC. So let's do it. Hey, you gotta be cleaning that. We cleaned that. Oh man. Straight off the rip of 11.6.
Just what I think about that 11.6.
Yeah, go straight.
Trying to attack me as usual. This is what happens when a Chevy guy comes over. You get run over by Fords. Don't attack me, Cobra, please.
All right, we're all loaded up. We're gonna go head over to BC and drop this thing off to get the build started. Just made it to BC. Gonna load the banana mobile. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's bring it off the trailer.
That's funny. And you got the Ford guy.
Oh, he's the Ford guy. You good? Don't go slow with it. As you see, we're here to get rid of this gap.
Can you turn it?
I call her banana split.
So we're gonna be dropping the car here with Wesley.
BC Racer.
Yep. This is gonna be cool. So you guys are developing independent rear suspension coilovers.
For this particular model.
You already have fronts,
Yes,
but
we just don't have rears yet. So we're going to work on this. We'll have it for the next month, and we'll, design everything, put it on the car, test it, make sure it fits correctly. It does perform the way it's designed to, and then once we're done with that, we'll set the ride height perfect, and we'll call you, and you can come pick up the car.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll do.
And then we'll beat the crap out of this thing on the road course.
Yeah,
so.
we just want to make sure that the base of what we're trying to do is make sure that we provide you with a product that works functional for the car of what it's designed to do.
Yeah, and then everybody will be able to bolt it right onto their car.
So everybody's going to be able to use it, and like I said, you could use it for whatever you want to do. So if you want to track it, that's fine. If you want to daily drive it, that's fine. Whatever you feel like you could do with the car, you'll be able to do.
Perfect.
So that's what we're trying to do, and we just want to make sure that you're happy.
Yeah.
All right.
Oof, them wheels. Oh, I love this floor, man.
Yeah, of course, this is my, this is my honeycomb.
This is your new shop, right?
Yeah, that's our old shop over there.
Yeah.
That's the sign now. Adam LZ.
Yep.
This is where my new home is, and obviously you see we do all kinds of cars. Every car that comes out, we usually make a kit for, and you could take pictures if you'd like of the
Yeah. This is beautiful. I love the wheels.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Custom wheels, coils, 8063, which is in the corner. We did that too.
Oh. Just tucked away over here in the corner.
Yeah, I guess this is the nice, you know, daily driven.
I love these floors. They look so nice.
They are. They're just, you know, it's a little bit much. You gotta be very careful working on them. So I try not to drop anything as much as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's got the perfect fitment over here.
That's what I strive to do.
Oh yeah.
But it's just based on whatever the customer wants.
Yep.
So
I got one perfectly set right.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna do the same thing for you as well.
Yep.
So when you know, I'll keep in contact with you. We'll send pictures. We'll email you pictures.
Perfect.
And we'll progress from there. So if you want it lower, we'll lower it. If you want it higher, I'll raise the car for you too.
Perfect.
All right.
It's crazy that Ford they were just like, yeah, this looks good.
Well, they didn't think people were gonna really push these cars, you know, as hard as people do.
Yeah, that'll be goodbye for now. I gotta pack up the trailer. So BC, man. Shout out to BC.
Coolest place you'll come to.
Check them out on Instagram, Facebook, and Cobra Coilovers coming soon.
Shout out to Kevin.
Yeah,
Shout out to Kevin.
Mike's friends with Kevin there.
Kevin, you know, he's the best tech. If you need problems with BC, call him. He'll handle it any day of the week. It's the most important we got.
Got some pics?
You know, of the banana split, I call it.
The banana split. Oh man. All right, we're gonna roll out of here. Bullet is getting clean today. After she just made some 11-second passes. 11.6, bro. Yeah, man.
All that out of a little 2-valve.
Little 2-valve. Getting the real treatment, oh man. Oh yeah. Alright, so people have been asking me, what number bullet do you have? There it is. 4570. It's real.
It's not a fake.
It's not a fake.
Not clickbait.
Literally has everything else.
Everything else is fine though.
I put the sticker there myself, don't worry.
I like your screw job here, baby.
Dang. 4 names detailing.
Hit me up.
Instagram right there. It's looking a lot better, man. Running 11s.
Now I'll run a 10.
Looking clean, yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
10-second car now.
Aerodynamic now with all that wax on it.
I add about 20 horsepower per clay bar.
Woo, she looking clean. Only thing she needs to know is them headlights. Late model restoration, where you at?
Put this like 11-second
Slip right there.
slippery car. Slippery bullet on the West Coast.